Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound shorthand dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 113. Start. Number 1. Habits may be good or bad, helpful or harmful. Full stop. Number 2. We think it would be fairer if all helped the neighborhood workers club according to their means. Full stop. Everyone cannot give an equal amount. Full stop. Some people could give more than others. Full stop. Number 3. Perhaps this particular opportunity may not occur again, and we shall be greatly surprised if you do not hasten to accept. Full stop. Number 4. The gentleman to whom the house was leased was quite surprised to receive a request for higher rent. Full stop. Number 5. In the Wall Street district of Manhattan, the great height of the buildings makes the streets seem smaller than they actually are. Full stop. On Sundays and holidays, when the streets are deserted, the buildings are even more imposing. They take on the appearance of tall cliffs. Full stop. Number 6. The good secretary does not always have her hat on in readiness to leave the office at 5 o'clock. Full stop. There are times when important correspondence must be answered, and she should show her loyalty to her employer and help him by not leaving the office, until the replies are in the post. Full stop. She should hold herself in readiness for these occasions. Full stop. In the average office, they do not occur often. Full stop.